In this expression, there is an exponent multiplication parenthesis, and inside the parentheses, there is an addition. To solve this question, we need to follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Multiplication and division have the same level of priority. Also, addition and subtraction have the same level of priority. When we have both in an expression, we start from the left and simplify the question. According to the PEMDAS rule in this question, first we simplify the parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis we have 5 plus 2 over 5. Since the denominator of this fraction is 5, we can write 5 as 25 over 5. Okay guys? Now the question is 2 over 5 to the power of 3 then times open parenthesis 25 over 5 plus 2 over 5. Again we simplify the parenthesis. As both the denominators are common, so we'll write 5 only once. And add both the numerators 25 plus 2 equals 27. First we simplify this exponent because exponent has higher priority than multiplication. 2 over 5 to the power of 3 equals 8 over 125. Now multiply both the numerators. 8 times 27 equals 216. Finally multiply both the denominators. 125 times 5 equals 625. This is the final answer to this question. Guys, if you want to get the right answer of this question, you need to follow the PEMDAS rule. Comment if you got it. Subscribe now to IQ Surge and keep your brain getting smarter every day.